If you're considering PNC mobile banking, here are 12 key things you need to know before you make your decision. We'll compare it to other popular mobile banking apps so you can decide if it's the right fit for your needs. First thing to note, PNC's app is user-friendly and well-designed. Compared to other apps, it's easy to navigate, and most customers find it intuitive. It offers all the basic features you'd expect from a mobile banking app, such as checking balances, transferring funds, and making payments. Next thing, it comes with a feature called Virtual Wallet. This is where PNC sets itself apart. The Virtual Wallet is an integrated system that gives you a clear view of your spending and savings, with budgeting tools, bill payment reminders, and the ability to track your progress towards financial goals. Most competitors, like Chase or Bank of America, don't offer this same level of integration. The third thing is PNC's security. The app uses industry-standard encryption and multi-factor authentication to keep your data secure. While most apps have solid security, PNC goes a step further with features like fingerprint login and secure messaging. Next, PNC offers customizable alerts for things like account balance changes and bill due dates, keeping you on top of your finances. This is something that other apps like Wells Fargo do, but PNC does it a bit more intuitively. It's helpful to have real-time notifications about your account activity. The fifth thing to mention is PNC's mobile deposit feature. It's straightforward, and many users report that it works well for both checks and cash deposits. It's worth noting that some competitors, like Capital One, have more extensive mobile deposit options, but PNC's service is still reliable and convenient. The sixth thing is bill pay options. The app allows you to set up automatic payments, and you can pay your bills directly from the app. While other apps like Citi's mobile app are strong in this area, PNC also gives you the ability to easily schedule payments and set up recurring bills. Next, let's talk about the fees. PNC charges fees for some services, like overdrafts and non-PNC ATM withdrawals. While this isn't unusual, make sure you're aware of these charges before using the app too much, especially if you're comparing to banks like Ally or Chime, which offer fee-free ATM access and more flexibility. The eighth thing is PNC's branch locator. If you need to visit a physical branch, the app offers a simple tool to find your nearest PNC locations. Other mobile apps, like Capital One, also have branch locators, but PNC's is especially accurate and up-to-date, so it's convenient if you need in-person assistance. The ninth thing is the ability to set up external transfers. You can link accounts from other banks, which is convenient if you manage multiple accounts. PNC's external transfer option is reliable, although apps like Venmo or PayPal are a bit more streamlined for peer-to-peer payments. The 10th feature to know about is the account aggregation feature. PNC can pull in information from your other bank accounts, giving you a full picture of your finances. This is a useful tool that few mobile apps offer, and it sets PNC apart from many competitors. Next, if you're someone who regularly travels, PNC's app has a solid international feature. You can easily notify the bank of your travel plans, and they provide access to ATMs worldwide. While apps like Citi or Chase also offer similar features, PNC provides more user-friendly international banking options. The 12th thing you should know is that while PNC mobile banking is generally reliable, it does sometimes experience downtime or glitches. It's a problem shared by many other apps, but it's worth mentioning that PNC's app has had fewer major issues than some of its competitors. PNC Mobile Banking is a solid choice for everyday banking with its clean interface, helpful budgeting tools, and strong security. However, if you're looking for something with fewer fees and better international options, you may want to consider other solutions. For a better alternative, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free today.